What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the battery in your key fobs. So I made a previous video for you guys showing you guys how to get into your vehicle with a dead key fob and how to start your vehicle with a dead key fob and get you to where you're going. If you come out to your vehicle and your key fob is dead and you're in a rush or in a hurry to get to work, or if you come out of a store or something like that and your key fob's dead and you're just stuck in the water and you don't know what to do, that video is for you guys on how to get yourselves to another store to get yourself a battery and change out your key fob. We'll get you to where you're going. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the battery in your key fob when it's dead. So you're going to, of course, need new batteries. And just to help as a tool, you can use a knife, a pocket knife, or a screwdriver to help pry open your key fob. For this video, I'm going to be using Energizer 2032 3-volt batteries. That is what my key fob recommends. First thing you want to do is grab your key fob. You want to take out the key in your key fob. If you guys didn't know that, all of your key fobs do have keys in them nowadays. Mine is a button right here, so I'm going to press that button and release my key fob out just like that. Next thing you want to do is pry open your key fob box. You can use your key if you're a person that has bad luck or you're just afraid to use your key because you don't want to break it. You can try your pocket knife or your screwdriver. That's when the screwdriver or the pocket knife comes in handy. But I do want to point this out. Keys nowadays are built to help you pry open your key fob, and they're built stronger nowadays. Because show you an example right here. This is my 2001 Dodge Ram truck key, and you can see the difference in thickness of these keys nowadays. They're a lot thicker, a lot more heavy duty for this reason, to be able to break open and pry open these key fobs so that you can get to your battery these situations like this. So once you pry that open, you are going to find inside your board there. Make sure you remember which way this goes so you put it back together correctly. And on the bottom side, you will see your battery. Usually somewhere inside of here, you will see your battery replacement number, or you simply just pop off your battery and you see what number is on that battery, and that's what you replace it with. So we're going to be using our knife here to pop out our old battery, just like that. So now our old battery is out. Again, like this, you can see the numbers on it. CR2032 3V. 3V stands for 3 volt. And remember, make sure you note how this battery was in there, so the numbers were facing down. So that is how you want to put your new batteries inside. Again, I have the replacements right here. I'm using Energizer. I know Duracell makes these as well. This is just what I picked up real quick because this is what Target had when I was there today doing some Christmas shopping with the wife and kid. So this is what I went with, the CR2032. So let's break this open and pop one of these out. Again, remember, your numbers face down. Pop that in. Put your key fob back together. And just a note, your key fob should have 4 indentations in them, just so that you place this board back in its correct spot, excuse me, and it goes back in correctly. It's going to fit around this inner border. Snap it back in place, just like that. And lastly, put your key back in. Boom. Now you have successfully changed your battery in your key fob. Do not go to a dealer to do this. They will charge you $50 to $100 to change your battery. Go do it yourself for maybe $8 tops, and that price is just for paying for your new batteries. So go do it yourself for $8 rather than paying $50 to $100 to get this replaced fully, or for a dealer to change your batteries for you. Just do it yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Make sure you go watch that previous video as well to see how to get into your vehicle and start it with a dead key fob.